Hello po, good evening everyone. So, blessed evening po sa ating lahat. I'm sorry, late na po kakauwi ko lang from our church activity. So, I'm going to share to you about our cover letter. Ito po yung actual talaga na sinend ko sa recruiter, sa current employer ko. Na, yun po, ngayon. And, here we go. But before that, i-share ko po muna sa inyo yung email. Pinakang first email po, so bali ito po siya. Yan, so, ito po yung message ko sa kanila bago ko send yung ito, kompletong CV ko, yung cover letter ko, tas yung mga certificates ko po. Yan, ito muna. So, dear hiring manager, I am interested in applying for the position of ECE teacher. My resume and cover letter are attached to this email for your consideration. I have more than 4 years of experience handling diverse children in play setting. I also have experience handling babies, no, just like that, stuff like that. So, yan po. And then, below that ito. Yan. Ito po mismo yung cover letter ko. And open natin siya. Ito. So, first po is yung picture nyo, and next, your complete name, your position, and your personal contact number, your email, address, and your address here in the Philippines. Then, the date. So, this is last March 8, 2024, Kia Aura, and last day, my greetings po. So, first part po is yun, yung greetings nyo, and then next is yung ano po yung position yung ina-applyan. So, this one. Ano po yung position nyo na ina-applyan. And then, after that is yung experience nyo po, kung ilan yung experience nyo na. And then, I have gained 2 years of experience teaching preschool, ages 3 to 5 years of age. So, kung ano po yung mga bata, ages po na, specific po na age ng mga batang na-handle nyo, then, yan po, nandyan din. And then, afterwards, yung na-accomplish nyo no mga requirements, just like ito NCQA, level 9 and level 7, then the PTE exam po, and lastly is yung teaching certificate, I mean yung practicing certificate po yung TC natin. So, very important po yan, yung NCQA, PTE, and teaching certificate po. And then next is throughout the course of my career, I have perfected. So, ito po yung kung ano yung natutunan mo, kung ano yung mga skills mo na natutunan mo during your experience in the past days or past years. So, yan lang po yung laman ng aking cover letter. And then, yung ito po, please take a moment to review. Last po is yung ito. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to speak with you regarding my candidacy. So, yan lang po. And sincerely yours. So, yun lang po mga teachers. As in, yan lang po yung actual na sinend ko sa kanila. And as you can see, yun nga po yung nakita nyo kanina. Yan. And then, may reply siya dito. Tingnan natin yung reply niya. Yan. After that message, ito. Yes, this one. I have reviewed your CV and I would love to set up a time to meet online to chat more about the recruitment process and how we can help. Can you please book a time with the link below? So, yan po. Yan po yung naging response nila. Kaya po, if you are ECE, specifically ECE, you can message po Miss Harriet. And please tell me also, referred by Ronaldin. I'm not connected, pero po, she told me na kung meron po akong kakilala is i-refer ko po kayo. Ganun po. Pero wala po akong, anong tawag doon? Nakukuhang pera. Wala po. Wala po tayong makukuhang pera. It's just my heart and desire to help also my co-Filipino na co-teachers na makapag-apply din po sa New Zealand. And yan po. And before that, I want to share to you one verse today. Encourage each and everyone. Romans chapter 5 verse 8 says there, but God commended his love toward us in that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. Remember, we are all sinners, but then we can see that it's hard to love someone if they are committing sin to you, right? But then God loves us. Even if we are sinners, still God loves us so much. Kaya po, namatay si Jesus for us. So, it's a reminder for us na God loves us and whatever dreams that we have, uh, God God's desire for us is better. So, sa mga katulad ko po na desire, just keep on believing God's promises. But the most important thing is we need to have a good relationship first to God. Have a relationship with God, and I'm telling you, God will show you His perfect plan. That's all for today. God bless. And kung meron po, addition po, kung meron po kayong question, please comment down below so that I will try my best to reply po.